Find the decimal number halfway between the following decimal numbers. So we have these two decimal numbers. This is a repeating decimal. This is a terminating decimal. So what we need to do is change them first into fractions, add them, and divide by 2, and that'll give us the halfway point between the two decimal numbers. So 0.5 is 1/2, so that's an easy one. We could change this into a 1/2 in fraction form. This one, what you do is you first give it a name, give it n equals 0. Repeating 8. Then multiply both sides by 10, which makes this decimal move over once, which is this 8. And then you could capture the repeating part, and notice how that's going to help us. Now you put this equation first, and then the one with the smaller amount, which is n. So the greater amount, 10n, minus the smaller amount, n. And then 10n minus n is 9n. And this one, this is why we multiply times 10 to capture the repeating part. So when you do the subtraction, the repeating part is canceled. So you don't have to deal with it anymore. Now it's just a matter of solving for the n. Divide both sides by 9. And you get n equals 8/9. The other number we said, 0.5, that's an easy one. That's 1/2. Now that you have both fractions, we need to add them and then divide that quantity by 2. But to add these, you need a common denominator. So let's get our common denominator, which is 18. And now that we have a common denominator, we carry out the addition. It's 25/18. And half means divide this quantity by 2 to get the halfway point. And you key this into your calculator and it gives you this. Notice there's a repeating 4. So we write this 4 with a bar over it, and that's a repeating 4. So this is the number that's between 0.8 repeating and 0.5. This is halfway between those two numbers.